Is it better to invest in gold or Bitcoin? Hello, in this video I want to answer a very important question. Is gold or Bitcoin better? At the end of the video, I tell you some tips so that you can make the right choice. Before investing in gold or Bitcoin, it's better to check the advantages and disadvantages of both, evaluate the similarities and differences between investing in gold and Bitcoin, and then decide which market is more suitable for us according to the amount of capital, risk tolerance, personal attitudes, recent and future profit. Advantages and disadvantages of investing in gold. Advantages. Gold is considered a safe investment. Gold can protect your wealth in times of financial crisis. Gold is used in many industrial processes. You can convert gold in cash in no time. Investing in gold has a long history. Gold is considered as a hedge against inflation. Investing in gold is good for diversifying your portfolio. Investing in gold is easy. You can invest in physical gold as well as gold certificates. People trust gold more in critical days. Disadvantages. You must store your gold in a physical location. Your gold may be stolen. Wages and gold insurance premium can be high. Keeping gold does not pay much. Gold is not a good short-term investment. You have to buy and sell whole units of gold. Gold mining destroys the environment. There are many transportation problems with physical gold. You may be buying fake gold. So far, we have reviewed the advantages and disadvantages of gold. Now we will come to Bitcoin. Advantages and disadvantages of investing in Bitcoin. Advantages. One of the advantages of Bitcoin is that it's based on the blockchain network. Due to the large number of users, the wide network, and the impossibility of changing past data, the network provides a safe and suitable environment for recording and maintaining information and is almost unhackable. Unlike the traditional financial system of fiat currencies, the use of Bitcoin digital currency is decentralized without the need for the intervention of a central institution, such as the government or the central bank. And for this reason, no one can monitor or limit Bitcoin activities. Bitcoin is very useful and effective for countries facing economic sanctions, because with the help of these digital currencies, restrictions caused by sanctions can be easily neutralized. Another advantage of Bitcoin is that the cost of Bitcoin transaction is very low. The fee for making payments through Bitcoin is very low, and in some cases, there is no cost involved. Disadvantages. One of the disadvantages of Bitcoin is the existence of risk and extreme price fluctuation. The volatility of Bitcoin is due to the fact that there is a certain amount of coins and the demand for mining is very high. But because it's expected that more businesses, media and commercial centers will start using Bitcoin, its price will eventually decrease. Bitcoin digital currency is a competitor of government currencies. In addition, it may be used for black market transaction, money laundering, and illegal activities. Therefore, governments may ban the use of sale of Bitcoin by setting rules. In the end, in my opinion, every market has its own traders with their specific moves. But for long-term maintenance and investment, it's better to enter at a low point of the price, and if you're looking for a low-risk investment, the gold market is more suitable. But if you don't care about the fluctuations and excitement of the market, Bitcoin is better. Now let's go to an important point that will help you in choosing. You can make the best choice by checking the charts and important news in the world, and my advice to you is to enter to hold a price floor. Thank you for staying with us until the end of the video. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification to support us.